King pisasabyang pamanyali sa king healthcare system na ng bangsa, aliwa mo in Department of Health, local government units, ating Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, in kailangang misan metong. Karake dala naman ding aliwang aguman kalupararing healthcare providers, pampubliko o pribado man. Inya bang isulong in universal healthcare paulin ng linkage, synergy at engagement? Metong asamit ng penimuna ng PhilHealth Region 3, maniba January 25 hanggang January 26, King Royce Hotel, Clark, Pampanga. Nasa na ng Universal Healthcare Law, aalang malalakwan karasking kabulasan. At base kini, kailangang rehistrado laking PhilHealth at eligible lang manikong serbisyo ring ega-naganang Pilipino. Bukod pa kanini, kailangan mo naman kanong ating pasilidad, equipment at panulo, depende king karalang kailangang proseso. Inya naman balaw si kanong PhilHealth king pamamiyay masanting a benepisyo. Kalupa na ning paman nagdagking libreng hemodialysis session kareng pasyente, amiras king 156 o 3 times per week.
Nung last zona po ni PBBM, yan po yung pinakamalakas na palakpak, lalo na sa mga congressmen po, no? So that's just one of the few, no? And then aside from that, of course, yung sa case rates po namin, it's been 13 years since we have adjusted them. So we've adjusted the first 3 last year po, and then we are in the process of adjusting all the others po. Very, very soon po, no? Antayin lang po natin po.
Balaos mo naman ko rin pa magsettlean ng PhilHealth kareng payables o claims kareng balang healthcare providers.
When I appeared in a congressional hearing, no, committee hearing last September, prinamis ko po na 27 billion at that time yung total payments to the hospitals. Prinamis ko within 90 days, mababayaran po namin ang 27 billion. Ang nangyari po, for the months of August, September, October till December, ang binayaran po ng PhilHealth is north of 45 billion po. So, na-cover po yung 27 billion plus more pa.
Pasalamat yan naman ni PhilHealth President and CEO Emmanuel R. Ledesma Jr., kang Pampanga Vice Governor Lilianay Baby Pineda, pauli ng kayang pamanyulong king UHC, halimo para king probinsya, nune king mabilog bangsa.
Ang PhilHealth naman, kantabay natin, sila yung #1 implementer ng Universal Healthcare. At kasi kailangan nationwide, kasi nandyan na yung law, nandyan na yung batas. Ang kailangan lang natin, tulungan mo yung kapwa mo Pilipino. Pag PhilHealth member siya, saan siya dudulog, saan siya pupunta? Role na ng LGU yon, tsaka ng private sector. Yon. So, masaya tayo kasi andyan na yung Universal Healthcare. Ang kailangan na lang, yung implementation. At madali lang yon kasi full support ang PhilHealth, Department of Health, LGUs, para lahat ng Pilipino masaya.
Basiking database ng PhilHealth at sulak yung 115 million ding hanggang Pilipino a covered ning karelang programa. Ako, Inke kayong talasuyo, Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalin.